Hey there. Thanks for watching my SiteBookPro review by Rick Gwynn, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. This SiteBookPro review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what SiteBookPro promises us. Profit from the hottest and largely untapped world of book affiliate marketing on iTunes and Amazon. First to market, one-click app creates a completely automated book affiliate website in less than 60 seconds. Instantly load 90,000 plus ebooks, physical books, and audiobooks under 130 plus categories in just a click. Automatically embedded with your affiliate link so you get paid instantly. On the right, we have the typical big, bold claims. You're just one click away. You can get started immediately. You're going to profit forever. There's no skill required, and it's 100% legal and ethical. A little bit further down, they too tell us this is just a 3-step process where you're going to log into the app. Your second step is to enter your name and choose your niche books. And your third step is to instantly create a completely automated book affiliate site in less than 60 seconds. Each book is automatically embedded with your affiliate link so that you get paid instantly. Let's take a look inside. First thing we do when we come into any program is go straight to the training. In here you are given a total of about 20 minutes of platform training so you know what buttons to push and what they do. After I went through the training, I realized I had seen this before and I wasn't wrong. Couponify, which was also put out by Rick Gwynn in March, has exactly the same functions, except this one is for coupons and SiteBookPro is going to be for books when we get in here. He also released Hello News in February. All of these are to post, which are blogs. So these are also the same functions that we are seeing in SiteBookPro. Because I have already done most of this platform and a walkthrough and a demo twice, which I will link the Couponify and the Hello News reviews throughout this video for you. We're going to do this one a little bit different. So first, let's start with what you need. You absolutely need an Amazon affiliate ID and an iTunes affiliate ID to sell the books in SitePro. To get the blog campaign going, you're also going to need a news API key. If we take a look at the Apple affiliate program overview, they actually call it Apple Services Performance Partners instead of affiliates. But if we scroll down on this overview, it tells us that they are currently only accepting a limited number of partners who can drive significant volume and quality performance that meets Apple brand guidelines. So right now, Apple is actually limiting their number of affiliates. It's going to be extremely hard, almost impossible to get approved right now. If we take a look at Amazon's policies and rules, Amazon will only check your application after you have driven 3 qualified sales within the first 180 days or 6 months. Now, I've recently done an Amazon affiliate program requirements video that I will link in this video for you to take a look at. So I'm not going to go through all of these. But some of the important things you need to know is that with Amazon, you actually have to own your website to be able to put your affiliate links on it. If we look at the URL with SiteBookPro, it is actually going to be SiteBookPro.app is going to be your website domain. Your URL will be whatever you put in front of it. So this one put betteryouBooks.SiteBookPro.app. What this means is that SiteBookPro.app actually owns this domain and this website and this URL. What they give you is a page on this domain for you to customize and make your own. I say that a lot, but I don't often explain it. If we take a look at Google Domains Web Terms 101, they tell us that a domain name, a website, and a URL are not the same thing. A domain is the name of the website. It's going to be google.com, wikipedia.org, or youtube.com. The first thing you have to do is buy and register a domain name. Next is the URL. That is actually the complete web address used to find the web page. So the URL would be the http://www.google.com. So it's the whole name, not just the google.com part. And as for the website, though one leads to the other, buying a domain name doesn't mean you have a website. A domain is the name of a website, and a URL is how to find the website. And the website is what people see and interact with when they get there. So basically, when you buy a domain, you've purchased the name for your site, but you still need to build the website itself. So that being said, SiteBook.pro has already built this website, and they're giving you the option to build a page on there, so you do not own this. If we look at our website, affiliatemarketinginformant.com, that is our domain and our URL. But if you start looking at some of our articles, this is actually a web page on our URL. So the web page is how to get Provely for free because that's the title of this article. It's also the same for our instant access link in the description below. If you guys are interested in getting our honest and ethical training, this actually lives on a page on our domain, affiliatemarketinginformant.com. The reason I'm showing you this is because if for some reason we don't pay for our domain name or our hosting goes down, this whole site goes down, including all of these other pages that live on it. None of this will come back up and work until the owner of affiliatemarketinginformant.com fixes it. So if you have a page on this site, you can't fix it until I do, which means you can't make money off of this until they fix the platform. They also give you options to monetize this website, and they do it in the form of banners. I did make a site that we're going to take a look at, xyzsitebookpro.app. You can see I have put a banner on there, but I'm not seeing it when we go in. We'll take a look. So here's the site I made. Now this pop-up opt-in box is actually upsell number 2. It's over $100 to have that. If we close out of that and look at the site, I did change this logo and it didn't take. This site looks like everybody else's. I have changed some of these banners and again, it did not take. These are the banners that were already in there. I only chose a few topics. They have you choose a minimum of 8, and these are the books that I would be selling. If we take a look at this book, it has a brief description, and then if I enter my iTunes affiliate ID, this would be the link, and this would be my Amazon affiliate link. This website that I made also looks exactly the same as the other websites. If we take a look at this one, it has the same sliders, it has the same banners, and you can tell this wasn't mine because it has different categories. But every one of these sites are going to look exactly the same. And as we get closer to the bottom, this affiliate disclosure was added in. These sites do not come with an affiliate disclosure or a privacy policy or a terms of service. This is actually my site, and you can see I've added all of them under one page. This page is actually the only one that took the logo I put in. It would need to be filled in detail, of course. Now, if you bought upsell number 2, this subscriber list here will work. That will be where your opt-ins are put in. But if we take a look at that, you can only export this out of this program. You cannot connect an autoresponder and actually set any email sequences up. You would have to take anybody that opts in and export that into your autoresponder. The blog campaigns and manage articles are going to be exactly the same as his previous 2 products. When you're creating a blog, they do give you the option to use your personal RSS feed. You can use a database RSS feed or blog content. If we look at the database RSS feed, you would need to make sure you go to whatever source you choose and make sure that they give you permission when you use this RSS feed to monetize the content being used. If you do not have permission to monetize this content being used, you could be in violation of copyright and have a copyright infringement filed on you. Blog content gives you the option to search by keyword. You would simply put in your keyword and it would search the internet for articles to put onto your website. You don't have permission for using this, so be very careful. If you set up a campaign, you would manage your articles in the Manage Articles section. And let's take a look at one of these. They do give you the option to come in here and do any editing, and I highly suggest that you do. This is actually a YouTube video that they pulled with my keyword affiliate marketing. And if we look at the description that is listed in here, it is full of other people's affiliate links. They are all in here, and you would need to make sure you go in here and take these out. Because if we look at the blog on my website I did, these links are still showing up, which means that your customer could potentially take that link and go straight away from this page, never to be seen again, never to buy anything from you on your page. One of the more extreme examples I saw was this one. It tells you in the beginning that it has affiliate links in it, but as I scrolled through, I couldn't actually see any of these affiliate links, which usually show up in blue. So I actually started moving my mouse around, and you can see here, that's going to be your affiliate link. So if anybody were to click on this, then they would actually be purchasing this book from who you got this article from. You would not see a commission for it if you left these affiliate links in there that are not yours. So if you're going to use this for a blogging website, I highly recommend you come in here and you make sure you edit all of these as they are posted on your site, since this is automatically posted. The last thing to discuss in here is your traffic. And if we look at the website settings for the site I just made, they do give you an option to input your Facebook URL, your Instagram URL, and your Twitter URL. And if we look at our site, down at the very bottom, they also give you the same social sharing buttons. So what they are giving you is the option to share this to your current existing Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram following. Who are on your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram lists? Is it friends and family that you share funny things with? Or is it people that know you do affiliate marketing and want to buy things from you when you promote them? Because if it is friends and family, you will make no sales of books using SiteBookPro. So what's the strategy with SiteBookPro? Well, they told us on the sales page it was to build a completely automated book affiliate website in 60 seconds. What it's actually doing is giving you a page on their web domain to sell iTunes and Amazon books, and gives you the ability to start an RSS feed blog campaign to your page. Now, my problems with SiteBookPro are going to be that, first of all, you absolutely have to have an Apple Services Performance Partners Affiliate ID, as well as an Amazon Associates Affiliate ID. If you do not have either one of those, you won't be able to get any commissions for selling any books on SiteBookPro. You also don't own this page, so if anything happens and this website goes down, you can't recover it until the owners of SiteBookPro get it back up and running. You also need to be very careful of the articles going onto your website. Make sure you have two things to avoid any copyright infringement issues. You will need permission to use this and permission to monetize it while you are using it. Those are the only two ways to keep you out of possible copyright infringement. Look, if you want to try to make a book affiliate website yourself, what I noticed in here trying to set up my website is they give you the option to add a custom domain, which means you would already own yours, or a WordPress website, which means again you would already own it. If you do already own it, these are just plugins and themes. You can go find some that actually have training, and you wouldn't necessarily have to have an Amazon or an iTunes affiliate ID. Let's take a look at the pricing for SiteBookPro. On the front end, it is $17. What that's going to give you is 10 site licenses. So there are some restrictions in the front end. Upsell number 1 is going to be your unlimited version at $47. This does give you unlimited sites. Upsell number 2 is SiteBookPro Advanced at $67. This is going to give you the opt-in pop-up that we discussed. So $131 to get that pop-up. Upsell number 3 is going to be the SiteBookPro courses for $37. This adds in some e-learning courses into the platform. Upsell number 4 is your done for you at $97. And upsell number 5 is your agency at $197. All total, SiteBookPro is going to run you $462. Look, you're not going to get paid instantly. You're going to get paid on iTunes and Amazon's schedule. This site may be up in less than 60 seconds, but unless you have your iTunes and Amazon affiliate IDs, it is not going to work for you. As far as being 100% legal and ethical, stealing RSS feeds or blog posts and monetizing them is not legal unless you have permission from the original creators. Look, I'll leave it up to you if you want to spend your time, money, and energy on SiteBookPro. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to head down to our instant access link in the description below. If you found any value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this SiteBookPro review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.